Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To me, Adam Nur SYAHIRAH. Today, we would like to present our project for CSC541 Learning Management System, and our purpose system is SHIELD. Next. So first, I would like to introduce our group members. First one is NURUL AFIQAH binti Zainal. And second one is myself, ZAMIRA IZZATI binti ZULAZWAR. Next one is AQILAH IZZATI binti RAZMAN. And the last one is SYAHIRAH binti NADRI. So as we know, learning management system, or known as LMS, become famous platform among educators and students, especially during pandemic of COVID-19. LMS system software application is for the administration, documentation, tracking, reporting, automation, and delivering of educational courses, training programs, or learning development programs. The purpose of this system is to deliver and manage all types of content, including videos, courses, and documents.
Next, for the user needs, this is the key finding that we got from our own experience and website, that some reforms need to be done in order to create a good system. First, combine attendance and live link in one page. We found that the student attendance page and live link on different pages are very complicated, so we have combined student attendance and live link on the same page to facilitate students. Second, interface easy to understand and operate. Graphic user interface must be easy to understand and operate plus complexity. Third, group chat. Through our discussion, we agree that personal conversations are very important and necessary in learning management system. Next, design and color of interface. The design and color of interface is important as it can attract our students' attention to use our learning management system, also usable for PC and laptop.
So for data gathering method, we have agreed to use our own experience to collect data, and moreover, we also conduct interview with our family members to figure out their key finding. So there are 5 major questions that we have asked, that are: what kind of learning system do you use? And the second question is, which LMS do you find the best among all you have used? Next is, what limitations do you face when using all those learning management systems? Fourth is, are you satisfied with all those functions included in the learning management system you use? And finally, what are the features that you wish can be included in those learning management systems?
So for this scenario 1, AFIQAH is a student at University Technology Mara. As a student of UiTM, she uses the university's new learning management system, which is SHIELD. Back then, when she used the university's own learning management system, she had difficulty opening a few tabs just to check her attendance and view the live link for the class. She also has to be directed to another page to view the date, time, and duration of the class. The solutions: after AFIQAH using SHIELD, she can check her attendance and view the live link in a single page. Moreover, she can check the class description and view the activity for the class by clicking the course page. She can also view the course code, course name, course description, and the lecturer in charge of the course.
For the second scenario, Sarah has a lot of WhatsApp group chats to discuss about the group project with her friends. It is hard for her to find the group chat because it is jumbled up with her personal group chat. Sometimes she even falsely sent the message to a different group. So the solution that we have made is, after she uses the learning management system SHIELD, she can easily discuss group works regarding her study. She can easily differentiate the group chat as there are group descriptions for each group. She can create another group if she wants, and she also can view all the groups that she joined in a list so that she can easily find any group. She can click view to view the group chat and send messages.
Okay, so for the final scenario, Adam is a new student at University Technology Mara. As a new student, he has difficulty remembering his lecturer's details such as room number, phone number and email. Using the old learning management system, he has to go to the course page and finds the lecturer's info. He finds it very time consuming, and he also sometimes get confused of the lecturer's room with other lecturers.
So the solution that is provided by Shield is he can view his lecturer's info on one page. Shield also provides the lecturer's info such as the lecturer's name, phone number, lecturer's room and email in a list.
So we can proceed to our system. First, the register page, students need to register their account first before they use our system. In the password field, when student input their password, the system will automatically check and inform students whether their password has followed their criteria or not. For example, as we can see here, I show you one more time. If I didn't include a number in my password, then it will mark the cross icon. So if I include, yes, the password can be
It
used.
shows that it doesn't meet the requirement for the password.
Yes. Next, login page.
While on this login page, student needs to log into the system. A pop-up message, please fill out this field, will appear to ease the user to understand what to fill in the blanks. And the system should speak in user's language with words, phrases, and concepts familiar to the user rather than system-oriented terms. As in our system, we use such a simple instruction such as already sign up, log in here, and didn't have any account, sign up here. Students are already familiar with these sentences as most systems use this statement. On this page, a student profile will be displayed, and this will make it easier for them to ensure that the student profile is always up to date, and students can check if their info is correct. Our brain can only process limited information at a time, so the aesthetic and minimalist design is important to deal with this limitation. Sometimes the interface is too cluttered with a hierarchy, which makes it very difficult for us to focus or function properly. Aesthetic and minimalist design should not contain irrelevant or rarely needed information. For example, we only focus on the main info in each page so that it will make students confused when they are using the system. Okay, this is the page where all courses will be displayed respectively. When students click the course, students can mark attendance according to their respective subjects. On this page also, students can submit all assignments, class schedule, description of class in a more orderly manner. A good system is where it is able to minimize the user's memory load by making objects, actions, and options visible. Users should not have to remember information from one part of the dialogue to another. It is much easier and convenient to scan all the buttons and icons provided. So, our system provides students with some buttons, some locations of header, and sidebars for users to easily understand our system.
Next is a course page. In this page, students can see the course details and information provided, such as course code, course name, course description, and also lecturer in charge in this course. Students also can see the timetable of the class that lecturer had updated, and also they can tick their attendance here. This attendance button only can be clicked during class time range. For example, if the class time is from 2 to 4 p.m., then students can only click their attendance during this time range. Next, live link for the class also will provided in this page. To know further about activities class for the day, user need to click the view button, and in this page, students can download class materials that lecturer upload here. Students also can upload their work into ways which are they can type in this field, and also they can upload their work here. For example, this if they want to download their class material, and here if they want to, for example, if having some difficult, or maybe they want to make a changes to what they type, they can click the undo button, and yeah. Next, if they want to submit, the loading function will be shown. This function can update students and let them know whether their work is successfully uploaded or not.
So for my community page is about the group chat that is signed up by the student. So in my group page, we can see that there are a list of group chat that is joined by the student. There are names and description that and it will be easy for the student to differentiate the group. And if we click on the view open chat, it will be redirect the page to a chat group. So here student can chat with one another and send message. The heuristic evaluation for the page is the go back button, which falls under user control and freedom. So if the student wanted to add a new group, they can easily click on the button new group.
Okay, so for lecturer info, this page will provide all lecturers info, their full name, phone number, room number, and also email. This will help students to easily get lecturer info without them needing to contact the lecturer. So the last one is group members. So for this page, it will provide our info, name and student ID. And for the consistency, it have check for help to understand more about our system.
For the other features, which is we have this hide sidebar, so students can click on this button, and also the logout button. When students click on the logout button, our system will navigate them to the login page.
So for the conclusion, when we completing this project, we had learned so many things, especially about how to build a system that can give maximum satisfaction for user. When we implemented our system, which is SHIELD, we also had to include the 10 principle of heuristic evaluation so that our system can function well. During this phase, we can understand and learn more about those principles, and we hope that our learning system, which is SHIELD, can satisfy user, especially student, in every aspect and fulfill student requirement as stated before. So that's all from us. Thank you.